Hello smart kids, welcome to Playful Learning with me, Miss Anna. Alright, now we are going to continue to learn our phonics sound. Okay, now I have this. Do you know what sound is this? Yes, you're right. It's E, E, E. Okay, let's say it together. Don't forget the movement, wiggling your finger at the end of your nose. Okay, like E, E, E. Okay, can we do it together? E, 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 E. Very good. Okay, now can you please tell me the things or objects that start with E, E, E sound? Yes, you're right. E, 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 ink. What else? Exactly. E, 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 igloo. What else? Yes. E, 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 insect. And what else? Very good. E, 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 iguana. Alright kids, now let's try to write the E sound together in the air, okay? Where is your pointer? Yes, okay, this is very easy. We just need to draw the line from top and going down, and don't forget the dot on top. Tick. Okay, one more time. Let's follow the arrow, okay? Make the line from the top going down, and now the dot. Alright, good job. Okay, now it's riddle time.
It's time for riddle. Hi friends, it's me, PL. Are you ready to play? This is a shelter and it's like a house and it's built from blocks of snow. What it could be? Yes, you're right friends. It's an igloo. Yay, we did it friends. Yes! So, see you in the next riddle. Bye-bye.
Okay, now let's try to spot the E, E, E sound. Okay? Okay, I have this word. Pin. Pin. P-I-N. Pin. Do you know where is the E, E sound? In the beginning, middle, or ending? Yes, you're right. It's in the middle. Good job. Next, I have ink. E, 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 ink. Can you spot the E, E, E sound? Where is it? Yes, good job, kids. It's in the beginning. Very good. And then next, I have pig. Pig. P-I-G. Pig. Where is the E, E, E sound? Yes, you're right. It's in the middle. Very good. And then the last one, I have insect. Insect. Do you know where is the E, E, E sound? Very good. It's in the beginning. Yay! Good job, kids. Alright, kids. Let's review one more time. One more time, can you tell me what sound is this? Yes, you're right. E, 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 E. And then now, let's write the E, E, E sound together, okay? Pointer, pointer. Okay, let's make the line from the top going down and then dot on top. Yay! Good job, kids! So, thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye-bye!